So in a criminal case, you have the plaintiff and the defendant. The plaintiff is the state of Michigan suing the defendant, John Smith, for committing a crime. So it would be state of Michigan versus John Smith, or people of the state of Michigan versus John Smith. Now, if John Smith gets convicted, he appeals. The case is still people versus John Smith. That's the name of the case. He's on appeal. So if his appeals in the state court are denied, the next step for him is to challenge his conviction and sentence in federal court. And the way he does that is he files what's called a federal habeas corpus petition. In that federal habeas corpus case petition, the petitioner is John Smith. He's sitting in prison. He files a federal habeas corpus petition, and he titles it John Smith versus Warden Joe Schmo. And Warden Joe Schmo, he's suing Warden Joe Schmo. And why is that? Because John Smith was a defendant in the state case. He's still challenging his conviction and sentence. Why is he suing the warden? Well, habeas corpus is not technically an appeal. It's not an appeal of the conviction and sentence. It is an original action. It is an original petition. It's an original case. He's filing his own lawsuit, John Smith, against the warden for detaining him illegally. Not just illegally, but in violation of the laws and the Constitution of the United States, or the treaties. The treaties are laws of the United States, any laws of the United States. So he can't sue for a violation of state law, because that is not a claim that can be brought in a habeas corpus petition. It's not cognizable in a habeas corpus petition.